Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate PDF pages on a PC for free in 2026. So if your PDF pages are upside down or sideways, yeah, this guide will help you fix and rotate them easily. First, open your PDF file using Microsoft Edge. It comes with built-in PDF tools, so you don't need extra software. Next, find the rotate icon in the top toolbar, so click it to rotate the page clockwise or counterclockwise. Now keep clicking until the page is properly aligned. I mean, most tools rotate in 90-degree steps. So yeah, to permanently save the rotated PDF, press Ctrl+P and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. This locks in your changes. Next, you can also use a free online PDF rotator tool. Upload your file, rotate pages, and download the fixed version. Finally, open the saved PDF and check all pages, so make sure every page is correctly oriented before sharing. And that's how to rotate PDF pages on a PC for free in 2026. Once you use built-in tools or online editors, fixing page orientation becomes quick and easy. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF tutorials.